What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we're out here in the garage once again, bringing you guys another video to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about batteries. Not only just regular batteries, but lithium-ion batteries. And I know there's a lot of talk online saying that lithium-ion batteries do not work in 2024 and up Harley-Davidson motorcycles. And I'm here today to prove that wrong, to prove that false. I've been running a lithium-ion battery in this bike for about a year now. I never made this video a year ago when I installed the battery because I wanted to go out and ride it and test it out before bringing the video to the channel, ranting and raving about this lithium-ion battery, and I really didn't know if it was gonna work or last, so I didn't want to tell you guys to go out and buy this battery and then it leave you guys stranded on the side of the road or something. So this lithium battery has been in my 2024 Road Glide here for a full year, and I've had zero issues with the lithium battery in the bike. So I wanted to bring this video to the channel and show you guys what lithium-ion battery you guys can buy for your 2024 and up Harley-Davidson motorcycles. On top of that, I am a dealer for this brand of batteries. So if you guys want to purchase one of these batteries for your bike, make sure you guys click the link in the description below. You guys can order it directly from me. Let's hop into the video, get started, and show you guys what lithium-ion battery I installed in my 2024 Road Glide here. I'm basically going to go over all the specs of the battery in this video and show you some cool capabilities that the battery does have. So with all that being said, let's hop into the video and get started. Here is the lithium-ion battery that I have installed in my 2024 Road Glide. As you can see here, the brand is called Ionic Batteries. This is the part number you want right here, IC-12V30-S7. And as you can see here, we have three indicators right here. We got low, mid, and full. And you can check the battery level just by hitting the power button there. And as you can see, our battery is full. I'll say it now and I'll say it later in the video. You must use a lithium-ion battery charger to charge lithium batteries. I can't stress that enough. I see so many guys online trying to use a standard AGM battery charger on a lithium battery, and it does not work. You will run into severe issues and your battery will not last. So I highly recommend ordering a lithium-ion battery charger with your lithium-ion battery. This battery here will fit other Harley-Davidson touring models. Basically any 2015 and up Harley-Davidson touring models, this battery will fit. This size of battery will fit. And I'm gonna pull the stock battery out of the bike and compare it on the bench and show you guys the size comparison between the lithium battery and the standard AGM battery that comes in these bikes right now. All right guys, so here's a side-by-side comparison of the two batteries. This here is the standard AGM battery that comes in a factory Harley-Davidson motorcycle sitting next to the lithium-ion battery. And as you can see, they are the exact same shape and size. So you will have no issues fitting this lithium battery in your motorcycle. Now, what's cool with Ionic is they provide you with these spacers. These spacers just go on the bottom of the battery. If for some reason the battery is sitting too low in your battery box, you can use those spacers on the bottom of the battery just to bring it up some. In my case, I'm not gonna need the spacers because the battery sits nice and flush in the Road Glide, so I did not need the spacers. And I will tell you that the lithium-ion battery is much, much lighter than the standard AGM battery. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna weigh both batteries, and I'm gonna show you guys how much each battery weighs, so stay tuned. All right guys, so I went ahead and put the stock AGM battery on the scale, and as you can see here, it weighs 20.4 pounds. I don't know if you guys can see that in the camera, but it weighs 20.4 pounds. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and take the lithium battery, set it on the scale, and see how much it weighs. Would you look at that? It won't even register the scale. So I'm gonna go ahead and push down on it to register the scale, and then I'm gonna let off, and it reads 0.0 pounds. So the lithium battery is too light to register on the human scale. So luckily, Ionic provided us with a spec sheet on this battery, and it shows that it weighs 8.8 pounds. So 8.8 pounds versus 20 pounds. That's a huge weight savings if you guys are looking to cut some weight in your Harley-Davidson motorcycle. So huge weight savings going to a lithium battery, and I'm gonna show you the other benefits to going to a lithium here right now. Not only is the battery lighter, but check out these cold cranking amps, guys. Look at that, cranking amps, 1220 cold cranking amps. Guys, that is insane for a battery. For the last year that I've had this battery in my 2024 Road Glide, I will honestly tell you that I never had an issue with this bike cranking over, and I never really put this battery on a battery tender. I do have a lithium ion battery tender that I plug into this, but I only plug into it like once every 2 months just to make sure that the battery is charged. You don't want to leave a battery tender plugged in all winter long on a lithium battery. So I'm super impressed with how well this ionic battery has lasted over the last year in my 24 Road Glide. I'm actually throwing this battery in Gold Digger after this video. As you guys know, I lightened up Gold Digger. It's full carbon now, and I figured why not throw a lightweight lithium battery in Gold Digger while we're at it. So this battery is actually going in Gold Digger today, but I just wanted to show you guys all the different specs. Oh look, it actually has the weight on it right there, 9.04 pounds. On their website, it shows 8.8 pounds. 1220 cold cranking amps, that is huge, guys. Especially if you have any motor work done to your bike, like Gold Digger having so much compression, it definitely will help having a lithium battery in there to crank that thing over. If you guys run audio or any external LED lighting like Baja Design lights, or any sort of extra audio that doesn't come on the bikes from the factory, you definitely want to be running a lithium ion battery because you won't use as much juice with a lithium battery, and it will help power those devices and crank over those high performance engines a lot easier and a lot faster than a standard AGM battery. So with that being said, I just wanted to give you guys an overview of this ionic battery from Lithium Hub. Basically, the two things I wanted to talk about was the weight and the cold cranking amps of this battery, and I'm super impressed with this ionic lithium battery that I've been running for a year now in my turbo bike. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing installed in Gold Digger, and I'll give you guys a cold start once I have it in there so you guys can hear how the new motor sounds in Gold Digger. So the other cool thing this ionic lithium battery has is an app. It has an app so you can monitor the battery without having to take the seat off and check the status of the battery, or plug it into a battery charger and check the status of the battery. You can literally download the app, which I already did and I already synced it. It runs off Bluetooth, so make sure your Bluetooth is on, make sure the battery is charged up in your bike, and you go ahead and download the app. So we're gonna open up the app now, and there is the battery. I'll actually go back. This is what it'll look like if you have not added a device yet, but since I already added both bikes, they're already listed on the app under devices. So the top one is my 24 Road Glide, and the bottom one is my 2019 Gold Digger over there. So we're gonna go ahead and click the first one, and you'll hear the battery beep, and there we are. So firmware update, we're gonna cancel for now. So on this app, you're able to monitor all the diagnostics of the battery. As you can see here, we're at 76% charged, so the battery's still in the green, but I probably will throw the battery charger on it tomorrow. I haven't put the battery charger on my 24 in probably 2 months, so it's due for a little quick charge. We'll get that back up to 100% after this video. But up here you have basic info, so there's your basic info, 76% battery life. Over here we have our performance screen, so this here shows the volts, the amps, the watts, the current battery status, how many battery cycles there's been, and the temperature of the battery as well. You'll be able to monitor all that via Bluetooth. Over here we have event status. If there's any sort of spikes in power or dips in power, you'll get like a red dot saying that your battery might need to be replaced. Now there is a 5-year warranty on these ionic lithium ion batteries. 5-year warranty, guys. Going on over here, so this here is basically like a contact page. It has the address where the batteries are made, the phone number, and the email. If you have any issues with your lithium ion battery from Ionic, you can hit them up and they will be glad to assist you. Their customer service is very good and they get back to you right away. All right, now the moment you've all been waiting for. You guys want to hear a cold start on Gold Digger, so I'm gonna go ahead and set the tripod up and crank this thing over for you guys, and I'm here to tell you this thing sounds insane now, guys. I can't wait to reveal what I did to Gold Digger and tell you guys exactly what motor we're currently running in Gold Digger now. I do have the battery hooked up to my lithium ion battery charger because it was not fully charged when I unboxed it. So I want to get it 100% fully charged before we crank this thing over. This thing's got a lot of compression now, and I want to make sure that it cranks over no issues. We should have no issues whatsoever with 1220 cold cranking amps. But just to be safe, I wanted to fully charge the battery before we crank it over and get you guys that cold start on this brisk 36-degree day here in Michigan. Yes, The weather still has not broke here in Michigan. It's still cold. I still haven't been able to go out and really ride these bikes. Sure, I run them up to the gas station for a little ride, but that's about it. Can't wait to bring you guys some more riding content this year. I'm super stoked to get both bikes out on the open road and just enjoy these two badass machines. So without further ado, enough of me talking. We're gonna set the camera up behind the bike and we're gonna crank this thing over and get you guys a nice cold start. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. I wanted to get this video out for you guys though because I have tested this lithium battery in my 24 Road Glide for about a year now, and I just wanted to let you guys know that yes, you can run a lithium ion battery in your 24 and up Road Glide or Street Glide or touring bike. It's not recommended by so many places, and I was like, there's no way. Like there's gotta be a way, there's gotta be a way to run a lithium battery in these new bikes. And I'm living proof that I've had zero issues within a year of running this ionic lithium battery in my 24. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. What did you guys think of Gold Digger? Comment down below, let me know your thoughts on how Gold Digger sounds now with its new heart transplant that I just put in here. I cannot wait to get into this build and tell you guys exactly what we did to Gold Digger. But first, we have a couple races coming up, some grudge races, and I don't really want to share my recipe, if you will, my package that I have on Gold Digger, but just know the bike is bigger, badder, and faster than it's ever been. And I'll be honest with you, the first time I grabbed a hold of that throttle in Florida, I was humbled. This bike humbled me. This thing is really fast, probably the fastest Harley I've ever ridden, and it's definitely something that will get away from you quick. And what I mean by that is you have to respect the power of this bike. This is a whole new level, a whole new power level. I will tell you guys, yes, it is a big block. Yes, it's bigger than my 130 that I had in here for the last 2 years. That made 175 horsepower. That was a great package. I love that bike. I love that motor. Didn't have any issues with it whatsoever. But I was ready to step up to the big leagues and build a bigger motor and compete in the true street class at some of these grudge events, some of these grudge races coming up. So stay tuned for that. There'll be a lot of content coming from that. I will be posting on Instagram all the different races I will be attending this year. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at DOOWORK Motorsports, all one word. Put it up here on the screen. I will eventually share with you guys what we did to Gold Digger, but for right now, we're gonna keep it hush hush and just give you a little teaser video of that cold start and the new 475 S&S cam in this thing. Anyway guys, that's gonna do it for tonight. Stay tuned, a lot of stuff coming, a lot of installs, a lot of riding videos this summer, and we're going racing. We're taking Gold Digger to the track, we're going racing, and I'm really excited to switch things up a little bit this year, experience this Harley bagger grudge racing scene. I got a little taste of it in Georgia when I was down there at the end of Bike Week. That was definitely a cool event, Hogs Gone Wild. But yeah, that's basically gonna do it for today's video guys. If you liked the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate all your support on the channel. If you guys want to support the channel by buying some merch, I've got hats, hoodies, t-shirts, and stickers and other things coming to the website, DOOWORKMotorsports.com. Make sure you guys go check that out and support the channel by buying some merch. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.